being accompanied by either a supervisor or a senior technician. Okay? I'm not being overprotective towards the females, but it's dangerous out there. Okay? And we need to protect the ladies. Okay? So, where you go? Okay, you come up. You can.
First time, sir.
He's going to read it.
Yeah.
That's fine, that's fine. Just get in the habit, guys, of being able to do a 1-minute safety brief, no PowerPoint, no handout.
Everyone. So, good morning, gentlemen. This is This is my 30 minutes or 15 minutes, 16 minutes. This is my first time. We're talking about the hydraulic jack, the common equipment that we use in the power plant. So it was invented by the American, Richard.
Don't look at me when you say that. I'm not American.
Hydraulic jack. He is a mechanical engineer who proven that the dynamic sequence of fluid when it comes to hydraulic, this is one of the subject in the engineering. So he proven it in his equipment, machineries. That's why the production of hydraulic jack was now enhanced. So, although the hydraulic jack has many different or varieties of figures, usage, and principle, but one thing we have in the hydraulic is to lift down or push heavy load. Remember that we cannot move a big or a heavy load without using hydraulic jack. So that is the incredible or the powerful equipment that invented by that mechanical engineer. So thanks for that guy. So the safety, we're going to the safety tips using hydraulic jack.